Meron akong nadiskubre na gusto kong malaman nyo, lalo na sa mga biyaherong katulad ko. Recently, pumunta ako ng Siargao via Clark through Philippine Airlines. Akala ko nung una magiging hassle dahil lalabas ako ng Metro Manila. Pero in my experience, naging maganda yung biyahe namin. Clark International Airport is actually good. Mabilis yung pila, comfortable yung facilities, and very easy to navigate. Maganda yung service ng Philippine Airlines at nakaland kami safely in rainy Siargao. Short lang yung trip ko sa Siargao, but the island is still exciting and fun. We did surfing, ate a lot of food, nag-relax, island hopping, souvenir shopping, and did I mention na kumain kami ng masasarap na pagkain? Our flight back to Clark is also via Philippine Airlines. Worth it mag-book ng flight from and to Clark International Airport dahil hindi ko na-experience yung long lines at walang waiting time sa sundo. It's commuter-friendly pa dahil sa mga convenient P2P buses. The next time you plan to go to Siargao, make sure to check flights from Clark International Airport via Philippine Airlines.